Hey guys, welcome to this video. My name is DevChooks. Today we're going to be cleaning up this code, restructuring it before we move into the next aspects of this project. Alright, so the first thing I want to do is, of course, this is why I love Next.js so much. In the pages folder, I'm going to create another folder. I'm going to call it dashboard. In dashboard, I'm going to create another folder called taxboard. And in taxboard, I'm going to create two folders, index.js, x. And I'm going to, in index.jsx, I'm going to say arrow AFCE. And this I'm just going to call index taxboard. All right. Then second one I'm going to create here, I'm going to the structural ID. I'm going to say .jsx. All right. Up here in components, I'm going to create a group of components called compound components. That's compound components are a little bit complex. In here, I'm going to create taxboard.js. No, this is a group, the folder. All right, then in the taxboard, I'm going to create like tax board parent.jsx. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take everything we have in the page index. I'm just going to highlight this, copy it up. Eesh. Right, sorry about that. Let's be sure that this thing still works. Okay. I'm just going to copy it out. Take it to taxboard parent. I'm going to rename this from home to taxboard parent. Right. Next thing we're going to do from here is save. In the index here, I'm going to paste all of that again, but this time around, I'm just going to clean this out. And I'm going to bring in taxboard parent as a single component. All right. I don't need rack or any of this. Yeah, I don't need any of this. All right. This I can call taxboard. Sorry. Just having a little bit of code. So this I can call taxboard. Then on the index.js, of the like outermost project, I'm going to clean this up. So I'm going to take out the whole of this. I'm going to take out the wrapper. Okay, no, I don't need to take out the wrapper. I'll just take out the page container. All right. Take out the rack, the page container, just take them out. All right. Yeah, this is now welcome to Taxi. If I come here and I say /dashboard/taxboard, then I land here, index taxboard, then / whatever, anything /anything should then bring us here. So I have welcome to Taxi here. I'm just going to go to the taxboard parent and I'll say taxboard name. Yeah. All right. Now what we're going to do is that we're going to put some margin top. I'm going to say one rem. I'm going to change the background color from pink. I'm going to change it to colors dot gray 100. Nice. Then I'm going to change this orange. I'm going to change it to colors dot primary 200. Sweet. I'm going to give a border radius of 10 pixels. I'm going to give the same border radius to the overall. Sweet. And the overall, I'm going to say, let it be a width of 100%. And then I'm just going to start this out. Background color, border radius. Okay, I gave the wrong border radius. Sorry. Yeah, that should be tax group. Yep. Yep. Yeah, so I think this is fine like this. So now we have our routes. Of course, this doesn't really change much because even if we come here and type anything else, it's still going to be this way. That's why we need to like have like a server we're working on. All right. But so far, everything works sweet. So we also have like a default height, remember? Like even if we take out everything, it doesn't like close out completely. All right. So that's all for this particular video. See you guys next time.